Good day, sir. My name is Ricky Lagureng. I'm 21 years old from Mayuga, Candilan, Bohol. My program is Bachelor of Science for Interpretation. My section is Sierra 3 Delta. The importance of occupational health and safety and PADAMS in my program, which is Bachelor of Science for Interpretation. It will be protecting employers and workplace from accident, injuries, and exposure to harmful substance. And the course section involves policy, procedure, and activities to minimize workplace accident injury and analysis. It addresses factors like shipboard safety, emergency procedures, risk management, and environment hazards in the marine context. My quote is keep your eyes on the horizon and your heart anchored to your dreams. Thank you, sir.